Today you are going to learn about putting in some cosmetic items in your web page. So far it has been only a white background with black color text. So in this particular lesson you are going to learn how to use cascading style sheet, or CSS in short, to improve the look of your web pages. So we'll go step by step. First thing, we are going to use external CSS. CSS got three. One is external, one is internal, the other one is inline. I'm going to start off with external CSS. How to put in a background image for a web page using external CSS. So as you can see here, I've gotten ready one page. It's a very simple page. Okay. I have H1 title, I have H2 subtitles, paragraph, and finally I have an image. So if I run this, what I will get is something like this. Okay, very plain, not attractive. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to put in a background image. Alright, so here I have some options for my background image. This is one, and the other one is this. We'll do both and see what happens. Now, because I want to use external CSS, I need to create another document. External meaning there is another document just for the formatting part. So this is my HTML. So I'm going to create another one for CSS external file. How to create? Very simple. Just take another file. It's a plain empty file. Save it. Okay, save it. At the same location. Okay, this is the same location. I'm going to name it as design. You can name it anything you want. Mine is design. Now, there is a change in the extension. No more HTML, but it is going to be CSS. Okay, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So this is the document that is going to be in charge of your design, not your content, just the design. So save it as usual, all files, and save. Here you have the CSS file. Alright, so the icon is different. Okay, and it is together with your HTML file. Alright, now because these two files are separate, I need to link. I need to link this particular file to this file. So how to link it? Go back to your HTML. At the head part, okay, at the head part, you put this particular code. Link is the link tag, and you close it. Don't forget to close. In between, you put your reference. Which file are you connecting to? Alright, so what is the name of the file? Design. So here I put design.css. Okay, and then add. What is the type of the file that you are connecting to? So it is a text file. At the same time, this text file is for CSS purpose. Okay, it's a text file, but it is a CSS file. And there will be a last one, REL. REL stands for relationship. Okay, the relationship is style sheet. Okay, style sheet. Done. So in this particular link tag, you have where you want to link to, what type of file it is, and what is the relationship. Okay, so this particular line will link this particular document to this particular CSS document. You must link it. If you don't link it, it won't work. Okay, so how to put in a background image? Now, the background image is for the entire web page. So it is for the entire body. Alright, entire body. So what you need to do is use this particular tag without the symbol. I don't want these two symbols. Okay, I just want the word in it, body. Alright, so here you type body, give a space, brackets. Okay, curly brackets. Alright, now first thing, you can put a background color. For example, how to put a background color for my entire page? You can put it as background color, colon. Okay, it's colon. Maybe you can put it as pink. Let's see what happens. Save this. You cannot run the CSS file. Alright, you cannot run the CSS file. You only run the HTML file. So here is the HTML file. If I refresh, I'll get a pink background. Alright. So now, what I want to do is, I want to go back to the design.css page. I want to remove this and I want to put an image. Alright, instead of just color, I want to put image. So what I can do is, I can put background image. How to pinpoint that image file? Put URL in brackets. You can put back.jpg. Okay, this is my file. At the end, please put a semicolon. Okay, this is back. It's referring to this particular file. Save. Go back to your HTML and you refresh the page. You'll get this. Can you see the image is being repeated? Okay, the image is being repeated because the image is small. If the image is small, it is going to be repeated. Okay, so what else can I do? I can stop the image from repeating. How to stop the image from repeating? I can do this. Background. Spelling, please be careful. Background. Repeat. Okay, because you don't want it to repeat, so you put it as no repeat. Save. If you do it this way, refresh your page and you will only have one of the image. It will not be repeated. Okay, what if you want to repeat not for the whole page but only on the top, horizontally on the top? What you can do is repeat, background repeat, still background repeat, repeat X. It is the X axis. Okay, so here I put another one, background position. I put it top. make sure you have semicolon at the end. So what will happen now is, it will be repeated, but only at the top part. Okay, what else can I do? What will happen if I put repeat Y? And here I put right. What will happen? The image will be vertical because repeat Y. I hope you still know your X and Y axis. So Y axis is vertical, so it will be repeated vertically and it will be positioned to the right. Okay, if I save this, I refresh, I'll get this. Okay, and what else can I do? Okay, I can do another one, background attachment. Okay, background attachment, I can put fixed. Alright, what will this do? Let me show you. Save this. Okay, for this purpose, I have to minimize my browser so that you can see the effect. Okay, now background attachment, fixed, save, refresh. Okay, can you see? The background is not moving. This is the background. This background is not moving. So I'm only moving the content. Alright, the content only is moving. If I remove this, and I save, then if I refresh, okay, you can see the whole page is moving. So it is up to your design, how you want it to be. Alright, so this is regarding the background image and the background color. Okay, you don't have to only use it for body. You can even use it for any other tag. For example, let's say I want to use it for my main title. Okay, my main title is H1. Alright, it's H1. So what I can do is, instead of body, I can put H1. So this will only affect H1. If I save this and I refresh, let's see what happened. It will only be for H1, only this line. Okay, so it depends on where you want it to have the effect, which tag you want it to have the effect. Make sure don't put the symbol. Do not do this. Okay, don't do this. Alright, this is a CSS file. And you don't see doc type, you don't see head, title, you don't see this in a CSS file. External CSS file, you don't see this. Alright, so this is how you put background image.